Hello everyone, today I'm here with our next assignment on suitability analysis. We have some data sets, some vector data sets and some raster data sets to determine the suitability analysis for Kiwi bots across a given region. We have several conditions. Uh, we have the conditions like we have to join our attributes. Yeah. Geoprocessing tool. Uh, join P50 and T50 feet. Now we'll go for a uh, tree with the bird counts. We have some conditions. We'll use them through using select through attributes. Three points or what have you see. Is greater than or equal to 10 and Kaka is greater or equal to 12. 12. We have our criteria. And if you see in the field, this is 2. 2. Now we have either 2 or Ka less than or equal to 5, equal to 5 less than or equal to 5. We have condition for 0. That is 0. Now accept that 0 and 2. None or just reverse it. That is 1. Okay. Buffer buffer tracks tracks that's right 100 tracks 100 road 150 tracks 100 meter diesel and roads per 150 meter. Merge dissolve. Now select by location. Now we'll go for raster or dame. We have dame. Aspect dame as we have conditions like for the aspect we have conditions for these like 45 to 135, so we have to reclassify it again. Reclassify, go on it. Since we have values like 5, 45, 135, 175. We can make, like, when we have 4 categories, we can make them in 5. Natural break 5, 5, 45, 135, 175, 360, 360. Okay, we have conditions. We have our conditions like is 0. This is also 0. 5 to 45. 5 to 45. 1. 5 to 45 is 1, and 45 to 135. 45 to 135 is 2. 2. 135 to 175. 135 to 175 is 1. 1, and more than 1, other are 0. Reclassify spect. Now we can see that it is preferable to select trees on the eastern side of the island, and eastern side. And one is the eastern side. Now to get the grid code, we have to change them in a vector. And then expect. The grid code. Now we have to identify them. Identify tool usually find out the trees that lies within the feature of the polygon. Not this one. We're working with 3-point identify water. We'll continue with this one, because we have already found for water and track, so we'll just update it for this one. Identify water feature is all new. Raster poly aspect. Yes. Okay. No. Just give a new aspect as it is updated. Okay. So aspect. Look at attributes. Have the grid codes. This is for aspect FC. First we'll go for like grid code, and we have successfully updated everything. Okay. Now we'll add a field. It says just nesting suitability score. Just add a field. This is the condition that our like the person who wants to detect the suitability, that will give the conditions. Yeah, right. Let's save it. And our condition says multiply this. Mm. Mm. Yeah. We have a suitability score. Now let's check it. Like suitability score. Suitability score. Mm. Mm. Suitability score is equal to 0. Okay. Now just revert it. Yep. This is our final suitability score, and the maximum score is 16. And this in this way we find our suitability score. Now select the location. Feature. Within distance. We have a condition like if they are within the distance, then 0. Out, they are 2. They are within the distance, and that is for track FC. Track FC. If within the row, within 0 back 0 0, and outside they are 1. Outside that 2. 2. Okay. Iceland Raster. So we are trying to find the trees that are away from the water surface. So trees within 50 meter are bad. So we will use Euclidean distance. For this we have to select, since we are going away from water, so we have to select water. Euclidean distance, water. National Register. Water, and our pixel is 4, pixel size 4, so we can use this. Okay, it has a range, like if we move towards the center, we go away from the coastline. Now we can change it in vector, or before that we can classify them using a reclassifier. Distance, uh, 50 meter. 50 meter, 200 meter, 200 meter. And we will we can give like 0 to 50 meter. We have 0 to 50, we have 0. This is 0, and 50 to 200, 1, and more than 200, it's good, or we can give a value 2. Hmm. 1 up to 250 to 1. This for more than 200. Classify and water. Now raster to polygon. Water. Hmm. Water. Okay. Now calculate field, and we can grid code. Okay. Now we have fulfilled our water attribute, our water field. Okay. Now we have to delete the grid code because we are using this grid code for next part as well.